Kian was begging to take the top down, put the windshield down, experience that open air in the Jeep, and here's what we got. That's the emergency brake. Why are you skidding tires? Well, the Renegade restoration might start a little sooner than we thought. We wanted to take the top off, put the windshield down, and drive it around, but here's what we forgot. It's a 1977 Jeep, and everything is rusty. Pushing the windshield down, bringing it back up. We broke it. All right, first set of parts on order. What did you just do?
Broke off
Where'd it break?
here.
That's bad. That's bad. And over there. That's bad.